Blessings, people of the light. Today, elders, we are talking about the ancestral cloths, specifically the sun cloth, right? The sun cloth is specifically for those type of initiates that are working with messengers. They are under the fraternity of Izitunywa, which is the fraternity of the messengers. These are seers, these are prophets, abahlahli, imboni, umlozi, amatola, etc. Basically, these are seers. The initiates who connect with the sun cloth are the type of initiates that are connected directly with the sun. Right? In ancient times, these initiates would actually be called the sun worshippers. And this would be correct because these initiates are spiritually connected with the sun. Sun worship can be traced back to the earliest times of civilization. It is indeed one of the oldest forms of worship. In ancient Kenya, in ancient Kemet, in ancient India, among the Native Americans, in ancient Lemuria, in Atlantis and Khalahadi, we have temples, ancient temples that were built in dedication to the sun. Even now, we still have modern Christianity continuing with this worship of the sun, but in hidden ways. We also still have names and surnames among our people that were used in old times by sun worshippers. Names like Langa, Nomalanga, Malitsatsi, Mlangeni, Chachi, all of which relate to the sun. These names were used by families, descendants, or initiates of sun worshippers. In other clan names, we also find phrases like Ninabomalandelalanga, meaning the followers of the sun, or Malandelalanga. We also have tribes like the Karanga or the Kalanga, who are also the descendants of the sun. They are known as the descendants of the sun. This is just to show you that sun worship is an ancient practice which still remains with us to this day, and its echoes are printed right here on this cloth. The type of initiates that are dealing with this cloth are also connected to the messengers of the sun, the messengers from the sun. Izithunywa zelanga, izithunywa zaselangeni, right? They are beings, elders from the sun. They are beings that exist on the sun. These are very, very much evolved beings. They are highly evolved, and they are the elders of our solar system, if we can say. And they are very, very much involved with the spiritual development of humanity as a whole. These sun initiates also have the ability to use solar energy in order to activate themselves and also to heal themselves and others, right? Just by using these solar energies. Now, the deeper mystery is that this cloth is actually for rainmakers. This is because sun worshippers are rainmakers. Rainmaking is but one way of using the sun's energy. This is why this cloth has little raindrops printed all around it. So the initiates that have this cloth are not only sun worshippers, but they are rainmakers. Even the famous Balubedu rain queen is called Mujaji, which doesn't necessarily translate to rain queen, because Mujaji is Mujaji or Mutsatsi, which means queen of the sun or even goddess of the sun, right? So this also shows us that the old people knew that it was the sun that causes rain, and who better to bring rain than the goddess herself, the goddess of the sun. In Kemu or Kemet, they worshipped the sun as Ra. Among the Botswana, it's Ramasedi, the father god of lights. In ancient Sumer, it was Utu Shamash. Among the Greek, it was Apollo. And among the Zulus, they called the sun god Umvelingane. The initiates who are associated with this cloth usually dream of beings from the sun or even the sun god himself. They dream of beings of light who have sun faces, and they may even get revelations about the mysteries of the sun. On the other hand, we have different colors of this cloth. We have a red one, blue, white, and a black one. All these colors represent different stages of initiation and the different types of rainmaking gifts that we have, right? So the red one means that your rainmaking gift is ancestral. It is a bloodline gift. It is a family gift, right? The blue one means your rainmaking gift is connected to the moon, which is the son of the night. The moon is the son of the night. This also means that your rainmaking gift is connected to Earth's water, right? And basically the water energy, the water element, or even what we call isithunywa samanzi, water spirits, right? And then the white one means your rainmaking gifts are purely connected with the sun, and they are also connected with the beings isithunywa zelanga, the beings from the sun, right? And then we have the black one. This one is for gurus, gobelas / teachers. These are, the teachers, and they must also be rainmakers and sun worshippers. These are the type of rainmakers that can also initiate others into rainmaking or into sun worshipping, right? So in conclusion, the initiates who have this cloth must know that they are very, very gifted, and they are gifted seers, they are gifted prophets, they are sun followers, they are sunflowers, both sun followers and sunflowers, and they are rainmakers, right? These initiates must also be aware that they are actually continuing a very ancient lineage of sun priests and priestesses, sun initiates, basically, the solar man. We are yet to speak deeply about these things. We are yet to speak deeply about the mysteries of rainmaking. We're going to speak deeply about the mysteries of the sun. So do not forget to like and subscribe, because there's much to be uncovered, elders. But for now, sithi phakama bube selimhlophe udedisa ubumnyama uvelisa ukukhanya. Tsawu.